Hello students, today we will discuss a question that came in the accounts exam held by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So the question that we have here is, what is depreciation? Briefly explain three causes of depreciation. Okay, so what is depreciation? It is basically, or it is the decline in the value of fixed assets due to wear and tear, time or obsolescence. So what is depreciation? It is a accounting concept where the value of a fixed asset decreases over time, and that we call as depreciation. The example that we have here is a company purchases machinery worth rupees 5 lakh on 1st April 2023. It decides to depreciate the machinery at 10% per annum using the straight line method. So depreciation will be calculated as, again, as I said, what is depreciation? It is decline in the value of fixed assets. So in accounting, what we do when the business buys a fixed asset, suppose we say machinery, it will every year it will charge depreciation on that particular asset. So again, here in example, here when the machinery is bought for 5 lakh on 1st April 2023, again the rate of depreciation again will be decided by the business. Here in our example, it is 10% per annum. As I said, depreciation will be charged on that fixed asset. So on the 5 lakh rupees, 10% depreciation will be charged, and the method used is straight line methods. There are different methods of charging depreciation on the fixed assets. In our case here, we will calculate depreciation by the straight line method. So what will be the annual depreciation in this case when the machinery is bought for rupees 5 lakh, the 10% of 5 lakh will be 50,000. So in the first year, the depreciation that will be charged of that machinery will be 50,000. And so at the end of that period, what will be the value of that machinery? So from 5 lakh, from 5 lakh, if we decrease the value, that is 50,000, the 10% value, what do we have? We have 4 lakh 50,000. So the value of that machinery at the end of the year will be 4 lakh 50,000. So what happened here? There is a decline in the value of the fixed assets. From 5 lakh, the value became 4 lakh 50,000. Why? Because depreciation is charged on that asset. So every year 50,000 will be charged on that depreciation. After 1 year, the machinery book value becomes 4 lakh 50, and in the next year again 50,000 will be deducted. So in the next year again the value will be 4 lakh. So eventually the value of that asset will decrease. So this is called depreciation. So it is the decline in the value of fixed assets. Why? Due to wear and tear. Why does wear and tear happen? Because of continuous uses. Time, again, because of the passage of time, the fixed assets their value declines, and even because of obsolescence, because of introduction of new technology, the existing machinery or existing fixed assets gets obsolete, or they get outdated. So these are the reasons why depreciation happens. So the three causes of depreciation are, the first is wear and tear. As I said, continuous uses of assets does wear and tear to the assets. In the business operation leads to physical deterioration. Example, machinery used daily in a factory goes through wear and tear. The second cause here is passage of time. With time, even if not actively used, some assets lose value simply due to aging. Example, leasehold property nearing expiry. So if there is a leasehold property, as the time passes, its value will decrease. The next cause of depreciation is obsolescence, means getting outdated. So technological advances or changes in market demand make assets outdated. Example is old computers replaced by newer models. So if again, because these computers are mostly technological devices, and they very frequently they keep on getting advanced, so they are very much prone to obsolescence. So again, there with updation of new technologies, the value of these assets decreases. That is why depreciation happens. So these are the causes of depreciation. The first is wear and tear, next is passage of time, and the third is obsolescence.